Amashangana comes from the Ndwandwe clan under the kingship of Nxumalo. Vatsonga abana hosinkulu. Rixaka ra Vatsonga ri na ti-clan to hambanahambana to fana na Vandhawu, Vatswa, Vachopi, Khalanga, Bileni, Amashangana, Vahlave na tin'wana. So loko i vitana Mndhawu i ku Mchangana wa n'wi rhuketela because Mndhawu a hi Mchangana. The Shangans are people who are Nguni by origin. They come from the Ndwandwe clan under the leadership of Nxumalo. So Amashangana, they are part of the Vatsonga because of the history of Soshangan, who came to Mozambique, conquered some clans there, and formed an empire called the Gaza Kingdom. If you go to Mozambique, you will find many Tsonga clans which are independent. Vatswa, Vachopi, Varonga, Vatonga. You find Shangans in Gaza Kingdom. That's where you find Amashangana. Here in South Africa, you will find Amashangana mostly in Bushbuckridge, which are under the leadership of Nxumalo. Those are Amashangana. Not everybody who speaks Xitsonga is Shangan, but Amashangana are part of the Vatsongas. So you can't call Mndhawu or Khalanga and call them Shangan. They are not Shangans. They are Vatsonga. So rather, if you see somebody or find somebody who's speaking Xitsonga, call them Mutsonga, not Shangan.